Hello everyone! It's time to learn math with Ma'am Liani. Are you ready? Then come on, join me and let's begin. In this video, I will be discussing with you linear equations in two variables. The objectives of our lesson: you can find the solutions of linear equations in two variables, and you can graph linear equations in two variables. Linear equation in two variables is an equation that can be written in the form ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are real numbers, but a and b cannot both be 0. For example, you have x plus y equals 3. You have 2x plus 3y equals 6, or y equals 3x plus 2, or y equals 40x. All of these equations are examples of linear equation in two variables. The solution of a linear equation in two variables is an ordered pair denoted by x comma y that makes the equation true. So the solutions of a linear equation in two variables are ordered pairs of numbers which can be plotted on a rectangular coordinate system. It can also be written in a table of values for x and y, like this table in here, where you have the two variables x and y written to be completed as we solve the values. It can be written in set notation like this. Okay, the set of comma 1 or 1 comma 40, 0 comma 0, negative 1 comma negative 40, and so on. Its graph is a straight line. Now, how to find the solution of linear equations in two variables? The method is to make a table of values of x and y like the examples below. Okay, we'll do this activity to show you the solution. Let's complete this table of values here. How should each table be completed? Complete the ordered pairs below to make the solutions to the given linear equation true. The first equation is y equals x plus 1. And we will complete the table of values here. The values of x are already given, but if they are not given, you have to select some values for x and then solve for the value of y. Now, how do you solve for the value of y? We substitute chosen values of x to the linear equation, then solve for y. So this is the method. You have the equation y equals x plus 1. If x is negative 1, let's just substitute or replace the x with negative 1. So y equals negative 1 plus x or plus 1 equals 0. So our answer is the ordered pair negative 1, comma 0. This is a solution to the equation. Now, it's not only one, but there are lots of solutions to this equation. Another one is, if x is equal to 0, then we'll solve for y. Y equals, replace the x there with 0, plus 1 equals, y is equal to 1. Therefore, you have another solution here, the ordered pair 0, comma 1. Okay? And if x is positive 1, let's solve for y. Equals, substitute the x over there with 1 plus 1 equals 2. So another solution for this equation is 1, comma 2. So here we have three ordered pairs that make this linear equation true, and many more. So these are the solutions and a lot more. So these are just three among many different solutions of this linear equation. Okay, you can add more values of x and solve for y and get more ordered pairs to make this equation true. All right, so this is what we need. We need this table, or we need these ordered pairs to graph this solution. Okay, and its graph, as we have mentioned earlier, is a straight line. How do we do that? We simply plot these points on this given graph or Cartesian plane. So let's graph -1 and 0. It's over there. And then 0, 1. 0, 1 is here. And the ordered pair 1, 2. 1, 2 is right over here. Join these points or solution to the linear equation y equals x plus 1, and it will show you a straight line. Okay? Next example, x plus y equals 2. These are prepared for you already. You have a table of values here, and you have 3 values of x that are selected. If it's not selected, well, you can choose your own value of x and then solve for y. Now let's solve for y. We substitute the chosen values of x to the linear equation, x plus y equals 2, then solve for y. So that's our method. So if x is -2, let us substitute it over here. So that's our equation. We'll substitute -2 for x plus y equals 2. By addition property of equality, let us solve this value of y. So we add 2 to both sides of the equation in order to eliminate the -2 and solve for y. So -2 plus 2 plus y equals 2 plus 2 as well. We add 2 to both sides, isn't it? So -2 plus 2 is 0. Y equals 2 plus 2, which is 4. So the pair here is 4 to complete our ordered pair on this part. Okay? So if x equals +2, let's replace that in the equation. Replace or substitute the x with 2 plus y equals 2. Again, we will solve for y. Let's eliminate 2 by addition property of equality. We add -2, or simply we subtract 2 to both sides of the equation. So this becomes 2 minus 2 is 0. And then we have the y value solved, which is 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Then you can fill this part of our table. If x is 2, y is 0. Okay, we go to the third value of x. If x is +4, let's substitute that over this value of x. So x is 4 plus y equals 2. Eliminate 4 so that you can solve for y. What do we do to eliminate 4? We add -4, or add negative is simply subtraction. Okay, so 4 minus 4 plus y equals 2. Don't forget to minus 4 as well on the other side of the equation. So 4 minus 4 is now 0. We have the value of y equals 2 minus 4 is -2. So to complete this table, when x is 4, y is -2. Now, you can write the ordered pairs representing each point in here that we will be graphing on the line. -2, 4. Here is 2, 0. Here is 4, -2. All of these are solutions to the equation x plus y equals 2. And many more. So all of these, therefore, are the solutions. -2, 4, 2, 0, and 4, -2, and a lot more, because there are lots of points that are lying on the straight line representing this equation. So let's plot these solutions and try to graph this linear equation. So negative 2 comma 4, that's negative 2, and then 4 is going up, so our point is right up there, and then 2 comma 0, so x coordinate is 2 and y is 0, so right here we are stuck here. All the point is over there, and the last or the third is 4 comma negative 2, so that's 1 2 3 4, and y is negative 2, negative 1 in there and negative 2, so it should be plotted here, and that is joined, forming a straight line. That is now the graph of our equation x plus y equals 2. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Finding the solution of a linear equation in two variables, making use of a table of values, and how to graph a linear equation in two variables by plotting the ordered pair of solutions. That's all for this session. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and God bless everyone.